Good morning, everybody. It's Mike the Baldadonis, and today is Thursday, which means it's
Conspiracy Theories Thursday.
with Gary from the gym. What's happening, buddy?
Mike, I'd like to talk about Planet X,
Excellent.
or Nibiru. I don't know if you've ever heard of that.
I have not.
Well, I just happened to fall upon it about a year and a half ago. I thought it was interesting, knowing that there could be a ninth planet out there on our outer solar system. This planet goes around the sun every 20,000 years, and it does an elongated type of orbit. And the word out in the street is it's coming our way.
There's a word on the street, folks.
The word, it's getting let out, you know.
All right.
It's been a hush-hush thing. They noticed this planet back in the 80s. They had a telescope named Iris, and they noticed it back then. So ever since, the powers that be have been planning to avoid it, in the sense of building tunnels so they can be under there, because this planet, it's such a great gravity force that it's carrying along with it meteors and a lot of debris, which are big rocks and what have you. And then it's mentioned that as the planet's going by us, planet Earth will be going through the debris field that the planet Nibiru is bringing along. Okay. So that would mean that we'd have all kinds of rocks or what have you falling onto planet Earth, creating tsunamis, earthquakes. The gravitational pull of the planet Nibiru would make volcanoes happen, or
Disrupt the whole planet.
right, just disrupt it. Right, correct. So I don't understand how. I know these tunnels are like a mile or so down or whatever. So I don't know how they're going to get protected. To me, if the planet's all shaking and crumbling, you'd think the tunnels would collapse. So I just throw that out there. I just find it weird. But, maybe to prevent from getting hit with a big rock. Anyway, there have been people that have actually filmed the planet Nibiru in Mexico, Australia, UK, Kent, England, right. And they've posted it so you can see for yourself. And it's just interesting to know that there's something coming our way. It comes around the orbit of the sun every 20,000 years. And so it's happened before, at least what these researchers are saying.
Supposedly.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Right. So, like I said, it's kind of a hush-hush thing. So you want to look into it, and if you're interested. There is a website, they follow it all the time, Skywatch Media. So this planet Nibiru, it's 10 times the size of Earth.
Okay.
So it's gigantic. And because of its massive size, it talks about pulling the magnetic field of the Earth, maybe shifting it a little bit, making the water. You know how they claim the moon makes high tides and low tides from the poles? Well, those things are really going to pull. So I don't know when it's going to happen, because like I said, they predicted it. Well, something was going to happen September of 2017, October 2017, December 2017. Well, I'm looking at all these times and dates. They sound really good, convincing, but as you can see, I'm still doing my conspiracy theories in March.
Right, yep.
But anyway, I did learn one thing about this when I was looking at it. This was September 23rd, 2017. That Revelations talked about a woman in the sky, a crown of thorns, in her head, dragons, and something going through her tummy. And come to find out, Revelations was talking about a star system where all the planets and the stars lined up. I just thought it was interesting. It was just one of the benefits I learned when I was looking at Nibiru. So September 23rd, 2017, it's the only time the stars ever lined up, ever, and ever will be. So I just found it amazing that something in the book of Revelations actually
What stars are these that lined up?
Venus, Neptune,
The planets?
the planets and what have you, and other stars. These three constellations, Virgo and a couple others, came together, and the way it was structured, it had the same image or picture of what the Revelation of St. John talked about. So I thought that was interesting. It was just something to pick out. I mean, it's gone and past now, but I was looking forward to seeing that. You know, I don't know. Again, they add some weird things may happen, but you know, obviously nothing happens. But no, but you know, if you're looking for signs and times and this and that, that would have been one of them. So what does it mean? I don't know, but because Revelation is a tough book to understand. So when the scientists or the astrologers put this together, it was just, I thought it was amazing. So that's my story.
All right, guys. So if you like watching our videos, give us a thumbs up. If you don't, tell us to go screw or something. But we're having fun. Gary's trying to have fun.
Yeah.
He's trying to give you some information. You know, Google it yourself. You don't have to rely on us. Obviously, this is conspiracy theories. It's whatever you think it may be. You know, Google it. Think you're on your own. So until next week, guys, Baldadonis out.